You've done well, Varamothras. You've led us straight to Deathrok's stronghold. But tell me, who are those humans?
Deathrok used his telepathy to enslave a top-ranking human warlord. I believe his name was Garaban or Gilithos or something. Human names all sound the same to me. Instead of stamping it out, Deathrok has taken control of the last pocket of human resistance. They maintain their own army within the keep.
Your brother is more clever than I thought. His defenses are considerable.
Yes, and with this paltry force you've mustered, a direct assault on his walls would be suicide.
I have no intention of assaulting the walls.
Then let's go before he...
My banshees will possess those hapless humans. We'll use them to open the gates for us.
You realize we'll have only a short amount of time before he discovers what we're up to.
Of course. If we strike quickly enough, Deathrok will never know what hit him.
To arms!
Whom do you serve, human?
The Dark Lady. I am hers to command.
The patrol has returned. Open the gates.
Ready yourselves. The moment is upon us. Now, my warriors, strike! We can attack either of the two bases with impunity, but it's only a matter of time before the other is alerted to our presence.
You call to me? Yes.
I'm listening. I'm here. It's time. Fight on, my warriors! Victory draws near! It's upon us.
Show us a target.
Show me a target. Give the order.
The damned.
Glory to Lord Deathrok.
This bastard will
This benefits me.
Show me a target. Done.
Where do you want us? He's hot dead.
Don't waste my time.
My cries.
On our way.
You call on me.
Our forces are under attack.
I'm here.
I bow to your will.
Give the order. I'm listening. Push the attack.
Why have I been here?
Where shall my blood be spilled?
I'm listening. Show them no mercy. I've no time for games.
I await your
Give the
counsel.
order.
You brought me back.
My life for
Let my
Nezu.
cries
Fight on, my warriors! Victory draws near!
Let's get to fighting. I wish only to serve.
Show me a target. Give the order.
What must I do?
I'm listening. I'm here.
Let my cries
May my aim be true.
Summoning is complete.
More gold is
Master.
required.
Show me a
Summoning is complete.
I'm here.
Show us a target. Thy bidding, Master.
Give the order. Done. It's time to open this house.
If that is your wish.
I'm here.
If I
Give the order.
must. If it pleases you.
Show me a target.
Who are we supposed to be fighting again?
I'm listening.
Why have I been
Give the order.
How will this benefit me?
I'm here. I've no time for games.
Brought me back.
Spare no one. The Dreadlord's forces must not escape.
Where do you want it? Let's get to fighting.
Show me a target.
Let's get to fighting. You made the right choice. It's on! Hold the line, you dogs! Fight on!
You must be the human in command of this rebel.
I am Garethos. I am sworn to defend the Master with my life.
You poor, confused creature.
Summoning is complete.
Let none survive.
Hello! Move your ass!
Show me a target.
Where do you want it? Our
I
forces
bow
are under
to
attack.
your will. Summoning
Thy
is
will be
complete.
done.
Show me a target. I'm here.
Don't waste my time.
Let my cries
Give me order.
The damned stand ready.
I'm here. I've no time for games. None. Show me a target.
I await your
Give me order.
The damned stand
Spare no one. The Dreadlord's forces must not escape. I'm listening. May my aim be true.
Let my cries
The damned stand ready.
Give the order. Show me a target.
Summoning is complete.
waste my time.
The damned stand ready.
back.
I'm here. I'm listening. Give the order. Show them no
Let
mercy.
my cries timber.
Push the attack. Show me a target.
Glory to Lord Deatherrock.
Call on me.
Why have I been summoned?
Let none survive. Of course. The moment is upon us.
Let my cries timber.
Show them no mercy. Spare no one. The Dreadlord's forces must not escape. Push the attack. Show me a target. Give the order.
We must hurry. Time is running out.
Damned stand ready. Where shall my blood be spilled?
Hi.
I'm here. Done. I've no time for games.
The damned
Show
stand
me a
ready.
target.
I await your counsel.
I'm listening.
Glory to Lord Deatherrock.
May my aim be true.
How will this benefit me?
Give the order.
The damned stand ready.
Waste my time.
I'm here.
Wake up. Time to die.
I'm listening. Show me a
The
target.
damned stand ready.
I'm here.
Research complete.
Let none survive.
We're nearly out of time.
Summoning is complete. I wish only to serve. I gladly obey.
Show me a target. I'm here. May my aim be true. Let none survive. Target. I'm listening.
My life, Bonez.
Give the order.
Research complete.
We're out of time. Both bases have been alerted to our presence. We've got to bolster our defenses before they launch their counterattack.
Push the attack.
Our forces are under attack.
Thy bidding, Master.
The moment is upon us. Deathrock will send his forces soon. We must be ready.
Who are we supposed to be fighting again?
Forces are under attack.
Let none
Our
survive.
town is under attack.
Show them no mercy.
I bow to your will.
Show me a target.
The Dark Lady is here. We must push her forces back.
Even the scales.
I await your counsel.
Our forces are under attack. Our town is under attack.
I'm listening.
How will this benefit
Give
me?
the order.
My life witness you.
Call on me.
Show me a target. What must I do? I'm here.
Don't waste
Our
my
town
time.
is under attack.
I wish only to serve.
Give the order.
Our forces are under attack.
For victory! You're the boss.
Thy bidding, Master.
I await your counsel.
Fight on, my warriors! Victory draws near!
Our town is under attack.
Is complete.
Show me a target.
Slay the upstarts in Deathrock's name. Where shall my blood be spilled?
Give the order.
You call on me.
You are clever, Sylvanas, but you are no match for me.
My life, Azul. My fate is
Show me
sealed.
a target.
Research complete.
The damned
Let
stand
my
ready is
cries
complete.
rush him back.
Our town is under attack.
For Lord Gareth, Lord Deathrock.
The moment is upon us.
Yes, my lord.
I'm here.
You can count on me.
Show me a target. Of course. It's time to even the scales.
I bow to your will. Summoning is complete. Summoning is complete. Yes, summoning is complete.
Traitor, how could you betray us like this? We could have ruled this land together.
Sylvanas has greater strength than you know, brother. I'll take my chances with her.
Strike fast, my warriors. Deathrock must fall.
Let's get to fighting.
You have an idea.
Show me a target.
I am Nathrazim. My will cannot be denied.
Summoning is complete.
Choice for the Spider Kingdom.
You
I'm
call
here.
to me.
Done. I've no time for games.
Thy bidding, Master. Where shall my blood be spilled? I gladly obey.
Give the order. I'm here.
I bow to your will. My fate is sealed.
Upgrade complete.
Thy will be done.
Show me a target.
Upgrade
I'm listening.
complete.
I'm listening.
I await your counsel.
Show me a target.
Upgrade
Done.
complete.
It's time to even the scales. Strike fast, my warriors. Deathrock must fall.
Summoning is complete. Summoning is complete. Thy bidding, Master. I cannot gladly
Give the
obey.
order. I'm here. Push the attack.
Why have I been summoned?
I bow to your will.
Research
Summoning
complete.
is complete.
Give the order. I'm listening. The moment is upon us.
I wait. We'll see.
Why have I been summoned? I must obey.
Summoning is complete.
Don't waste my time.
My life for Nazul.
Show me a target. The moment is upon us.
You call on me?
I wish only to serve. My fate is sealed. I gladly obey.
Gold mine is nearly empty.
I'm listening. I'm here. Give the order. I've no time for games. Strike fast, my warriors. Deathrock must fall. Target course.
Research complete.
I'm here.
Show us a target.
Where shall my blood be spilled?
I'm listening.
Summoning is
Give the
complete.
order.
Summoning is complete. Summoning is complete. Summoning is complete. I wish only to serve. Summoning is complete.
Show me a target.
Summoning is complete.
It's time to even the scales.
Where do you want us?
Summoning is complete.
You rang.
Our gold mine is nearly empty.
You have an idea?
Thy bidding, Master.
Upgrade complete. Upgrade complete.
Summoning is complete.
Show me a target.
Waste my time.
Cries.
Strike fast, my warriors. Deathrock must fall. Give the order.
How will this benefit me?
My life for Nazul.
I'm listening.
Our gold mine has collapsed.
Where shall my blood be spilled?
Let my cries.
Thy will be done.
I'm here.
Hi.
Research complete.
Make your choice.
The damned return. I bow to your will.
The shadows beckoned. Research complete.
I'm listening.
What does the shadow will?
Give the order. I've no time for games.
You rebels rush headlong to your deaths.
Show me a target.
Waste my time.
Research complete.
I'm here. I'm listening. Show me a target. Strike fast, my warriors. Deathrock must fall.
Is complete.
Our forces
Yes,
are under
Master.
attack.
Give the order.
I shall be your eyes.
Show me a target.
The dead shall serve. For the Lich King. Our gold mine has collapsed.
I
Give the
await
order.
your counsel.
I'm here.
The shadows beckon.
It's time to
I
even the
bow to
scales.
your will. I wish only to serve.
I'm listening.
The restless dead await.
I'm here.
Research
a
complete.
target.
The shadows beckon. Can I help you?
Give the order.
Take your time.
Research
Look
complete.
around.
You call on me? How will this benefit me?
Hello.
How will this benefit me?
This better be
I'm
good.
listening.
You call on me?
The moment is upon us.
Don't waste my time.
Give the order.
You have an idea?
I'm listening.
I await your counsel.
Strike fast, my warriors. Deatherot must fall.
The Dark Lady is here. We must push her forces back.
What needs revealing?
I'm here.
Research complete.
Show me a target. I'm here. Push the attack. I'm listening. Give the order.
Research complete.
My life for Nazul.
Show me a target.
Vanquish the weak.
I'm listening. Done. Of course.
The Dark Lady is here. We must push her forces back.
You call on me.
Show me a target. I'm here. Of course.
I await your
Our
counsel.
forces are under attack.
None can oppose me. This one is mine. This one is mine.
Give the order. Let none survive. Give the order. I'm here.
Research complete.
Listen to me.
The restless dead await.
Show me a target.
Waste my time.
Our forces are under attack. Town is under
Slay
attack.
the upstarts in Deatherot's name.
How will this benefit me?
I'm listening.
Call on me.
Give the order. I'm here. I'm here.
Our town is under attack.
Done.
Our forces are under attack.
Let darkness guide me. My sight is yours. Where shall my blood be spilled?
This better be good.
I'm here.
I await your counsel. Don't waste my time. You have an idea.
We're under attack.
the shadow?
Strike fast, my warriors. Deathrock must fall.
Council.
My life for Nezul.
Our forces are under
My
attack.
fate is sealed. Where shall my blood be spilled? I cannot summon there. My fate is sealed.
Research complete.
I shall be your eyes.
Our forces are under attack.
I wish only to serve.
Show me a target.
You have an
Give the
idea.
order.
The dead shall serve.
What needs revealing? I go Summoning is complete. Summoning is complete. Summoning is complete. Summoning is complete. Summoning is complete.
Research complete.
I'm here.
I await your counsel. How will this benefit me?
Upgrade complete.
You call on me?
Show me a target.
You are clever, Sylvanas, but you are no match for me.
Upgrade complete.
Show me a target.
Summon Master
Our
is complete.
forces are under attack.
Thy will be done. I gladly obey. Yes, Master.
I'm here.
You have an
Give the
idea.
order.
What we do?
I bow to your
shadows
will.
Give the order.
The restless dead await.
I'm listening. Spare no one. The Dreadlord's forces must not escape.
As the shadow. This better than the dead shall serve. The shadows.
The Dark Lady is here. We must push her forces back.
Summoning is complete. Summoning is complete. Summoning is complete.
What does the shadow do?
Summoning is complete.
The restless dead await. This better.
Summoning is complete.
What does the shadow do? Shall serve. Our forces are under attack. What does the shadow do?
Let none survive. Show me a target.
We're under attack.
What needs revealing?
Our forces are under attack.
Show me a target.
Must be.
How will this benefit me?
listening.
You have an idea?
This better be good.
We are waiting.
The dead shall serve. As the shadow
I shall
wills.
be your eyes.
The restless dead await.
Show me a target.
Hello?
I've no time for games. Give the order.
Who are we supposed to be fighting again?
On me? I'll do what I must. Right.
My sight is yours. All shall be revealed. I'll look into
Don't
it.
waste my time. I wait.
The restless dead await. This better be good.
Show me a target.
Our gold mine is nearly empty.
I'm listening. It's time to even the scales.
What needs revealing?
Our forces are under attack. The dead shall serve.
I'm here.
What does the shadow will?
Of course.
The dead shall
Don't waste
serve.
my time.
This better be good.
For the Lich
How
King.
will this benefit me?
Give the order.
The restless dead await.
Tremble before the Scourge.
I shall be your eyes. I'll look into it. I go unseen.
Show me a target. Done. Of course.
Our forces are under attack.
I've no time for games. I'm here.
Our forces are under attack.
You call on me. I await your
Give the order.
counsel.
I shall be your eyes. My sight is yours.
How will this benefit me? By any means
What does the
necessary.
shadow will? Intriguing.
You call on me?
I'm listening. I've no time for games. Of course. The moment is upon us. Give the order. I'm here.
I
Our
await
gold
your
mine has
counsel.
collapsed. Our forces are under attack.
Don't waste my time.
What we do
Strike fast, my warriors. Deathrock must fall.
Our forces are under attack.
You have an idea.
Show me a target.
This better be good.
Don't waste my time.
Research complete. The spell has been lifted. Is the nightmare finally over?
Stand down, humans. I have no quarrel with you.
What is it you want, elf witch?
We have a common enemy. The last Dreadlord Balnazar currently controls the capital city of your kingdom. If you help me kill him, I'll see to it that you get your lands back.
Why should we trust you? You're part of the Scourge that drove us out in the first place.
Not anymore. My only interest here is vengeance.
Very well. I'll rally what's left of my forces and meet you outside the gates.
Come now. You have no intention of giving them their lands back.
Of course not. The humans are simply a means to an end.
You sound more like one of us with every passing day, my lady.
Watch it, Dreadlord.